Dear viewers, in today's video, we're going to show you the top 11 motorcycle gadgets you must see and buy this year. Let's begin. VERSATTA LED Motorcycle Helmet Light. The VERSATTA LED Motorcycle Helmet Light provides essential visibility and safety for night riding enthusiasts. Crafted from durable ABS with an IPX6 waterproof rating, it withstands outdoor conditions while maintaining reliability. Featuring a bright LED with multiple modes for adjustable brightness and flashing frequencies, it ensures visibility in various environments. The light offers easy installation on any helmet without tools, doubling as a bike or motorcycle taillight for added versatility. With a long-lasting battery life and USB charging capability, it supports extended use without interruptions. Lightweight and durable, it's ideal for outdoor activities such as cycling, hiking, and camping, enhancing safety during low-light conditions. AIRMOTO BP 198 Motorcycle Tire Inflator. The AIRMOTO BP 198 Motorcycle Tire Inflator is a compact and efficient solution for maintaining optimal tire pressure on the go. Operating at 12 volts with a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, it inflates car, motorcycle, SUV, and bicycle tires up to 120 psi, swiftly and accurately. Equipped with a large LCD screen, it allows easy selection between different pressure units and features an automatic shut-off function when the desired pressure is reached. Its built-in LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while included attachments accommodate various inflation needs from sports equipment to vehicle tires. Compact and portable, it fits conveniently in a glove box or trunk, making it an essential tool for road trips and daily commutes. ZZM Motorcycle Tailbag. The ZZM Motorcycle Tailbag offers versatility and ample storage capacity for motorcyclists. Constructed from PVC and Oxford fabric, it expands from 22 liters to 34 liters, accommodating clothing, accessories, and even helmets. Featuring a waterproof rain cover and reflective design for enhanced nighttime visibility, it ensures items remain protected and secure in all weather conditions. The bag includes a removable shoulder strap for easy carrying and adapts to different motorcycle models with adjustable straps. Its ergonomic design includes a breathable back pad for comfort during extended rides, making it an ideal choice for travelers and adventurers seeking reliable motorcycle storage solutions. BETOOLL HW9000 and 71 Tire Repair Kit. The BETOOLL HW9000 and 71 Tire Repair Kit is a comprehensive solution for repairing tubeless tires on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and more. It includes essential tools like T-handle insert and spiral probe tools, made from heavy-duty steel for durability and ease of use. The kit also features a 4-way valve stem tool, plastic valve caps, self-vulcanization repair plugs, lubricant, and an L-hex key, all neatly packed in a convenient carrying bag. Ideal for emergency repairs, the kit ensures you're prepared for punctures anytime, anywhere, offering a simple plug-and-go operation to quickly seal tire perforations. Note that it's designed specifically for tubeless tires and not suitable for tube tires or sidewall blowouts. Backed by a full refund guarantee for any manufacturing defects, it's a must-have for vehicles ranging from motorcycles to tractors, providing peace of mind on the road or off-road. Urban UR6 High-Tech Alarm Disc Lock. The Urban UR6 High-Tech Alarm Disc Lock sets a high standard in motorcycle and bicycle security with its advanced features, offering a 120 decibels alarm with on-and-off functionality. It deters theft effectively, complemented by a unique warning function that alerts with 6 beeps upon disturbance. Its 6mm locking pin fits all brake discs securely, enhanced by a replaceable UR24 EMA electronic module known for reliability and compactness. Waterproof and rust-resistant, it remains durable in all weather conditions, ensuring longevity without compromise. The lock is practical with a simple one-handed operation and includes a bright LED light for visibility in dark environments. Suitable for motorcycles, scooters, and bicycles, it provides robust protection with European craftsmanship and a commitment to high-quality security solutions. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Cup Holder. The KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Cup Holder offers convenience and reliability for riders needing hydration on the go. featuring a sturdy 600D Oxford fabric construction with aluminum clamp, It securely attaches to handlebars or poles from 0.6 to 1.5 inches in diameter. The upgraded alligator clamp design ensures stability even at high speeds, accommodating water bottles up to 24 ounces without spinning or loosening. A reinforced top drawstring keeps drinks secure during bumpy rides, while a bottom drain prevents water buildup. Additionally, 2 mesh pockets provide extra storage for small items. Ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, and more. This cup holder combines practicality with durability, ensuring riders stay hydrated and organized during their journeys. EXTRACTME Motorcycle USB Charger. The EXTRACTME Motorcycle USB Charger provides enhanced functionality with its dual USB-A ports equipped with Quick Charge 3.0 technology, ensuring rapid and effective charging for smartphones, tablets, and GPS devices. Designed for versatility, it supports handlebar and screw mounting installations, accommodating various motorcycle models. The charger includes a waterproof SA to USB adapter with a 10A fuse for direct battery connection, ensuring convenient setup. Safety is paramount with built-in protections against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging, complemented by an LED voltmeter and on/off switch for monitoring and battery health awareness while riding. Compatible with input voltages from 12V to 24V, it adjusts output voltages automatically to suit different devices, making it a reliable companion for long journeys. KIWAV Motorcycle Cruise Assist. The KIWAV Motorcycle Cruise Assist enhances rider comfort during long-distance trips with its ergonomic wave-shaped design. Crafted from durable materials including acrylonitrile butadiene, styrene, ABS, and rubber, it ensures a secure grip and reduces hand fatigue by allowing throttle operation without constant squeezing. Compatible with heavy gloves, this throttle assist is easy to use and essential for maintaining consistent speeds, preventing numb fingers on extended rides. It's a practical accessory for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking improved comfort and control during their journeys. Grand PITSTOP Motorcycle Wheel Cleaning Stand. The Grand PITSTOP Motorcycle Wheel Cleaning Stand simplifies wheel and chain maintenance with its innovative roller design. Constructed from sturdy alloy steel, it supports motorcycles weighing under 485 pounds with tire widths up to 180 millimeters. Featuring high-speed bearings, the stand facilitates effortless wheel rotation for cleaning and lubrication tasks, eliminating the need for bulky paddock stands. Its compact and lightweight build ensures portability, fitting easily into motorcycle trunks for on-the-go use. Ideal for solo riders, the Grand PITSTOP stand offers a convenient, single-person operation for routine motorcycle maintenance, making it a valuable addition to any rider's toolkit. LAMICALL Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. The LAMICALL Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder provides enhanced stability with its patented dual vibration dampener and shock absorption silicone pads, ensuring a secure grip for phones sized 4.7 to 6.7 inches. Crafted from durable alloy and composite plastic, it features a soft silicone clamp to prevent scratches and falls. Designed for easy one-hand operation, it swiftly installs on the handlebars ranging from 0.59 to 1.57 inches in diameter. Notable for its wide compatibility with various iPhone models and select Android devices, it excludes compatibility with Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. This mount is ideal for riders seeking reliable phone security and visibility, even during high-speed rides. SKYJDM Motorcycle Gel Seat Cushion. The SKYJDM Motorcycle Gel Seat Cushion is designed for superior comfort, featuring an ergonomic 3D honeycomb structure and pedal-shaped design. It promotes even weight distribution and minimizes discomfort in the buttocks during extended rides. Featuring a highly elastic gel material, it absorbs shocks effectively, alleviating pressure on hips and tailbones. The cushion's anti-slip design with bottom particles and secure straps prevents sliding during use, ensuring stability. Breathable and foldable, it suits most motorcycle seats, enhancing air circulation and maintaining a cool, dry feel throughout rides. Ideal for all-season use, this seat pad is a practical choice for riders prioritizing comfort and support on extended journeys. Bye for now. We hope this video showcasing the top 11 motorcycle gadgets you must see and buy will help you find your best fit.